Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this video is about the new Garmin Venu 2 watch. Striking a balance between everyday smartwatch and a powerful sports training tool is the new Garmin Venu 2. The Garmin Venu 2 straddles the line between smartwatch and running watch remarkably well, balancing essential everyday well-being features with advanced workout tracking tools. We have only been testing it for a short while so far, and will update this review soon with our full verdict and score, but our early impressions are positive. Like many modern wearables, the Venu 2 puts a heavy emphasis on wellness with tools including breathing exercises and all-day stress monitoring, reminding you to take care of your mental as well as physical health. However, this is no simple fitness tracker and is packed with serious tools for monitoring a wide range of sports. Runners are particularly well catered for, with onboard GPS spotted by GLONASS for accurate speed and distance tracking. Downloadable training plans via Garmin Connect, autopause and split recording among the watch many features. It is not quite as advanced as the Fenix 6 or Forerunner 945, which offer more advanced tools for managing training plus live navigation, but it is a strong offering. Gym gears are well catered to as well. This is the first Garmin device to feature muscle map graphics that helps you plan workouts based on training load for each major muscle group. Swimmers will benefit from underwater heart rate monitoring, stroke type detection, and pool metrics, and golfers will find the Venu 2 is as capable as many dedicated golf watches. All of these fitness tools are delivered on a super crisp AMOLED display with a high resolution that allows you to see a huge amount of data at once without the need to consult the Garmin Connect app on your phone. We look forward to putting more of the Venu 2's tool to the test over the coming days and bringing you a complete verdict and score once we have done so. This Garmin Venu 2 was released in April 2021, priced at $400 for both the 40mm and 45mm case sizes. Let's talk about the design of this Garmin Venu 2. The Garmin Venu 2 looks much like its predecessor, with a classic design that is smart enough for daytime wear, yet practical enough for workouts. Not groundbreaking, but the new watch addresses one of our biggest complaints about the original Venu, which was its lack of different size options. The standard Venu 2 has a 44mm case and a 33mm display, while the smaller Venu 2S, the version we are testing here, has a 40mm case and a 27.9mm display. Both sizes features a polymer case with a stainless steel bezel and a silicone band, and accept Garmin's standard 18mm bands, so you can exchange the standard strap for a different leather or silicone option instead. The 44mm version is available in two colorways: slate with a black case and a granite blue with a matching case. Both have a silver colored stainless steel bezel. The 40mm Venus 2S comes in four colors: graphite with a slate bezel, light sand with a light gold bezel, mist gray with a silver bezel, and white with a rose gold bezel. If you are in US, you can also choose to put together a custom design picking and mixing straps and cases to create a combination that suits you. The watch is controlled via a touchscreen and two physical buttons on the right hand edge. The lower of these serves as a back button, while the upper right is context sensitive with icons appearing on screen to show what action it will perform at a particular time, in a similar manner to the Garmin Instinct's dual screen display. There are several attractive watch faces to choose from, including a selection of options that are animated when the watch wakes. Through there is also an always on option if you don't mind the extra battery drain. One of the most striking features of this Garmin Venu 2 is its vivid AMOLED screen display with high resolution for extra detail and static and animated watch faces. The Garmin Venu 2 is a well-spec'd smartwatch, and its high-resolution screen means you can view detailed information about the day's schedule, the weather, app notifications, and more right on your wrist. The watch also includes optional movements health tracking, which can set as one of the shortcuts in your list of activities. Surprisingly, this is more comprehensive than the tool featured in the Garmin Lily, with a wider range of symptoms and modes to choose from to help you better understand your cycle. This Garmin Venu 2 has extremely accurate GPS and has detailed workout metrics at a glance, with wide range of activities spotted. With two physical buttons, the Venu 2 strikes a good balance. You will need to deliberately press one of the buttons to pause or resume your workout, and finer controls can be operated through the touchscreen. The upper button is multifunctional and performs different tasks depending which workout widget you are using. This is never confusing thanks to Garmin use of contextual icons which let you know exactly what it will do at any point, a feature carried over the Garmin Instinct, which used a small secondary display to perform the same function. We will soon be putting the Venu 2 to the test in the gym for indoor workouts, and will update this review with our findings. It's the end of today's video. For further details of this watch, check out the link below in description and comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video.